Oh, I want some.
Caramel.
Hello. Hello. We're gonna make some caramel apples.
I'm going to one. Hello.
We're gonna melt some chocolate and melt some caramel.
Dip it.
We're doing caramel apple slices.
2.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall too deep, will you be there when I wait to save me? A superhero in me. A superhero in me. You called my soul when I was falling. You moved the clouds to stop me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute.
Beautiful.
Wow.
We are gonna do everything.
Everything. Put it back.
That was loud.
Now?
I'm making a mess. I don't know what I'm doing.
Fine.
Second book. Bob.
Ooh, that's hot.
What's that?
The caramel's hot.
It's April.
Aunt April's apple exploded.
A superhero in me. A superhero in me. Oh, oh, and when I fall.
What topping do you want?
Baby.
I like it like with the toppings all on the
paper.
Yeah. So here, buddy.
What day? What day?
You want it all over your apple. Put your apple back in there.
There's one in the front.
Oh my!
It rained.
Rain M&ms.
I keep dropping it.
Stefan, honey, put your. There you go. Now I'll flip it.
You gotta push it into the caramel.
Okay.
Oh.
Now
Or
put the
stick it in there.
You
See how that
better make some of these so you have some.
I want baby
Now what topping?
marshmallow.
Okay, Kendra's doing the marshmallows.
Ah! There. I'm done.
Oh, beautiful. Put it on your paper.
Oh yes. Done. Now my next apple. It looks like it got chewed in. Ooh, it got chewed in.
How's your
Wait,
marshmallow?
this one
Oh,
did
there
it.
it is.
That
Cute.
one did it.
Good job, bud.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall too deep, will you be there when I wait to save me? A superhero in stop me from hitting the ground. In every goal there was a meaning, for this love ain't kryptonite.